Hi, I'm TA Buplay, your trading buddy. Welcome to the 12th episode of our Buplay Daily Review. And from this episode onwards, as you can see, there will be a minor improvement on our content arrangement where we will be separating stocks from the US and the Malaysian market into two videos. Alright, so we will try to make each video in around 10 minutes so it won't be too long for you to watch, and of course it's easier for you to search for the analysis of the particular stocks in our channel. Alright, so of course we will still maintain with both English and Chinese languages, and after that we will rearrange the playlist so that you can view all the every episodes of our updates easily. Alright, so before we proceed, I would like to repeat again for some newcomers. So in our daily review video, we will be focusing on the technical analysis of the chart, the TA, because we believe the chart is the best insider. So if you know how to read the chart, it will tell you a lot of hidden story. Alright? So if you haven't watched our previous analysis on Teladoc, one of the health related counters, so feel free to click into our channel and to watch the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel if you don't want to miss our next video. Alright, so let's start the video for today. Okay, so the US market is ongoing right now, and we can see that due to some news that have a more positive news on the new variant of Omicron, so we can see the indices has stopped dropping. Yeah, so it's not so panic mode anymore, right? As you can see, this is for Dow Jones, and it should be more or less the same for the Nasdaq. Yeah, and Nasdaq are even in green right now, and also the S&P 500. Yeah, so we can see that the market has stopped dropping for today. So let's go back to the chart of Dow Jones. All right, so you can see the chart has stopped dropping for three main indices in US. So what you can monitor here is for example, for Dow Jones, you can set a support at around this level. So as long as the index can maintain at this level, so it will always have the potential to make a rebound. All right, so since we mentioned about the new variant of the coronavirus, let me show you some news, some latest news about the new coronavirus. Okay, so so this is the articles. Yeah, as you can see, as the title sound, Omicron appears to be producing more mild cases of COVID-19 so far. Yeah, so in the content, as you can see, according to the chair of the South African Medical Association, Dr. Angling, it says that currently there's no reason for panicking, yeah, as we don't see severely ill patients. Okay, so so as we can see, it's already this news is already reflected in our indices, yeah, because yesterday market is just too panicked because they are still very uncertain about how great damage that this new variant will cause. But then for today, as you can see, a lot of news that more and more cases of Omicron detected in a few countries. So far, there's still no cases that can significantly see how severe damage of the Omicron is. Yeah. So of course, according to the news, I remember they say not in this news. All right, yeah, I remember I read in the news that according to some scientists, they'll say we need 1 to 2 weeks time for them to identify the new variant of the coronavirus. All right, so only then they would know whether the vaccine that we took is it still effective or not. All right, yeah, but of course, as I mentioned earlier, the indices are not in the panic mode anymore. But then, since there's new existence of the new variant of the Omicron, then you can see as this article written, yeah, as Omicron variant cases spread, countries rush to impose travel bans. All right, so so the main point is over here, yeah, we still don't know a lot about the new Omicron variants, alright? But scientists are racing to determine its severity, transmissibility, and whether it evades vaccines. Yeah, so this is what I mentioned earlier. It would take 1 to 2 weeks time, alright? But then, due to some precautions, there's at least 44 countries has imposed travel restrictions from several African countries, alright? So yeah, of course, this new variant that detected has hit the tourism sector badly, travel sector especially. Yeah, so because more and more countries are more cautious on their borders. Okay, so if you're holding counters and stocks which are related to tourism and related to travel, or maybe some transportations, yeah, so that's the thing that you need to take note. All right, okay, so after we share about some news for today's happenings, let's move into the first counter for today, which is the vaccine counter. Yeah, Pfizer. Okay, so as you can see, yesterday the prices has did a big jump up. Yeah, a big gap up over here due to the market panic about the new variant of coronavirus. So today it has jumped a little bit up again and opened high, but then it's now traded at the lower price. Okay, so for the chart reading part, so when you're looking at this chart, you can need to set the support that you we can see right now. It should be around this price level. Okay, should be around $53. All right, so if you are holding these stocks, no need to be so panicked because the market still have very limited knowledge on the new variant. So purely as what I analyzed from the chart, you can see that you should set your support or a cut loss price as $53. All right, which means that as long as the price can trade it above $53, then the momentum in overall is still bullish. All right. So as you can see, this is a chart for Pfizer in overall, still okay. Yeah, so no need to be so panicked. Okay, next we move into um, another counter, second counter for today, which is Rivian Automotive. Yeah, a newly IPO. Okay, all right. So as for the chart of this newly IPO, we have very limited things that we can monitor over here. Yeah, because it's just listed on November, 10th of November. Yeah, so from the chart, there's almost nothing that we can analyze. But here I can share with you a strategy for you to trade this kind of IPO stock. All right. So when you're doing chart reading for this kind of IPO stock, the first candlestick is very important. All right. So when you're analyzing this chart, you need to draw lines. All right. Over here for the first day, the top of the first day and the bottom of the first day. All right, so these two lines will be important support. Okay, will be important support for this counter. All right, as you can see, the share price has now broken the first support. Yeah, so it's over here, then this will turns into the resistance. All right, so normal resistance I can put at green color. Yeah, okay, so the final defense for you will be $96. Okay, so as long as the price can support it above the $96, then it will have the chance to rebound and see how it goes further. All right, but then you need to take note. You need to be cautious if the price breaks the support of $95. Yeah, so it may goes to the lower price. All right, so these are the two important support and resistance that we can see right now. All right. Okay, so yeah, so this is how we gonna um, do for our new video settings. Yeah, so in one video we will just be focusing on the US market. Yeah, so if for you, if you are investing and or trading in Malaysia market, you can just click into our Malaysia stock video. Yeah, so it will be in the playlist as well. Alright, so I hope that you learned something from this video today, and if there's any counter that you want us to analyze, feel free to comment below to let us know. Yeah, so if you like our content, don't forget to like and share. At the same time, don't forget to subscribe as well. So together we can learn powerful TA skill in this channel. Alright, so thank you for watching. I'm TA Play, your trading buddy. See you in the next video. Bye bye.